welcome back to another episode from the review of this tablet. This is I believe, the episode number 3. I will present you the special function and then the diagnostic. I'm sure you are interested on the special function. Okay, and you will believe with this option here, electrical pump activation, you can do for all the cars. Let's see. I thought also same. This was the reason actually, whatever, to program the case and to have this special function. But surprise, it's Audi. Let's see which one. Only God knows. PM. Manual. Let's see. We don't have connection. Should work on PM. Yeah. Oh, okay, we have the models here. E series, F series, and G series. Not bad at all. And for BM, looks like very friendly, this tablet. E, F, and G series. Yeah, let's try it once more to Audi. If we take automatically, and it was my mistake, or if you show me like, no, it worked only automatically. I don't know exactly which model. And also on BM Mini. Okay, let's move to the next one. I believe this tablet, they're saying it's like 20 special function activated. Then ABS. Only for this car. Until now, only Chinese car, yes, model. One Asian, Mazda. And that's it. Then this function, you can forget it on European cars. This function, you can forget it. Reset service, maintenance, this work with all the cars who have this menu for reset kilometer for the service. Steering angle sensor, let's see. America, Asia, let's check first one. GM. Two 2019. You have a lot of options here. If you don't like it, just skip it. Move forward. You have this possibility. Looks like similar. I show only the models and that's it. If you have a question after that, you can ask me. If I missed something over here, you can ask me and I can look after that on the tablet. Hoffen. We are now in American. Let's move to Asian. You have a lot of models over here. On Asian cars, it is really very good also for diagnostic. Doesn't show me which year, but okay, Korea model and general. Kia from USA, sell it to USA. Sangyang. China model. As I said, for China models, it's very, very good. Doesn't show you the year over here, but doesn't matter. I go fast to all of them. C3. I didn't try these options until now, but on the IMO, you should connect to the internet and then, oh sorry, that was bad. You should connect to internet and you can do all these functions. I believe also here is similar. Volkswagen. Audi. Yeah, not bad. Volvo. 2019 E60. Also 2000. Yeah. Wow. With Volvo. Looks very good. Let's see on Mercedes. Not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, really good. Mercedes is 220, 221, 222. And Maybach, not bad. PM, it's also good. I know. On this actuation, it's not bad. It's maybe the electronic one. I3, I8. Doesn't show which year. Oh, sorry, I missed the Ferrari. And that's it on this option. Okay, let's move to window initialization. Let's work on this cars from China, Mercedes, only this module, only this models, BM. On BM should work also on the G series, or no, only F. Really? Yeah. No G series. I skipped this one, sorry. On window calibration, very poor. I cannot show you because I cannot connect it. I don't have a card for connection. Doesn't show me which year. I hope I cover you all this information over here. I hope it's someone there who needs this information. And this information is not only for the Elite version, it's for all this model from this company, from XTOOL. Throttle and Chrysler, but it doesn't show me which model. And over here you have the software version, the America V28.44, and in few weeks you'll have 4.5 and something like that. All the time that you have updates. Asia, let's see what we have in Asia. Actually the car was selected in Asia. Learning value, but for which car learning value? Volkswagen learning, clear learning value, but for which car? It doesn't show me which model. Volkswagen have, this company have a lot of cars, also TPS, I don't know. You should try here. It's on luck, maybe it works for what you need, maybe it doesn't work. I cannot help you much more than that. And look on Opels, at least show you which. Let's try also to another one, to Fiat. Okay. Wow. Lancia. Alpha. But it's also Fiat. I don't know why they put it separately. Logan, Sandero, Duster also. Only the name. If it's model 1 or 2 or 3, you don't know. I missed something over here, maybe Citroen, okay. Okay, let's take 5. Type 1, Type 2 should be... okay. And it's Type 1, it's 2001, 2005, 2008 or something, or 2004, 2008, and then it's 2007. Yeah, I understand now. And the new Citroen. Oh, really? No, not bad then. Okay, on BM we have also, on the 7 we have G series. Let's see on the 5. Yes, we have also G30. It's not bad. On BM, as I said, it's not bad. DPF, it's like all this and a lot of cars. If we put DPF, we should have many cars over here. It's like general one. passenger. We have also the tractor sprinter and Viano and Vito also and cargo. But also in the chip diagnostic, these clones, you have the DPF and everything. And in my opinion, if this doesn't cover all the new cars, then it's a garbage, but it covers all this new model. It should be this related with speed. Deactivate transportation mode. I'm not so sure, but should be related with the speed. I don't know. Yeah, at least in my stupid opinion, this track over here is like remove the speed limiter. Battery match, it's also is for all the models. You have here the general one. You have all of them together over here. Seat configuration. It should be BM, I believe. Hyundai. Again, the Asian cars. A lot of them here. What we have from Europe? Only BM. Only F series. G series, no, it's not here. Let's see, Nissan. I don't have it here. Mini BM. Actually, only BM you have it here from European cars.